we decided to move the risk management configuration from Manage App to Risk Menu because before, only Jira admin can configure the EaseRisk application. So now, if you are a risk manager and you want to configure the EaseRisk application, you can do it without having to call a Jira admin. Related to this feature is the new EaseRisk administrators. So upon installation of the EaseRisk plugin, there will be a new group created, which is the EaseRisk administrators. So as you can see, user 1 is under to this group. So any users under to this group will have the permission and access to configure the risk scheme and the formulas. To show you an example, I will try to log in as user 1. User 1. There, as you can see, I have the permission to configure the risk scheme or the formula configuration. We made this group so that Jira or project admin can delegate certain administration tasks to assigned member.